Hi everybody, it's Miss Chloe from Naples Regional Library. Today we are going to make aromatherapy stress balls. This is a really good activity for maybe students at home who are trying to do online learning. Maybe you're looking at our e-resources like Brainfuse, trying to do homework help. This is really good to have on hand to maybe help you work through that. So all you need is a filler. I have sand here, but you can also use something like rice, beans, flour, whatever you have at home. You're gonna need an empty water bottle, a funnel, which I have made my own, and you need some essential oils and balloons. So as long as you have those things, you can make your own stress ball. So you wanna make sure that you use 2 balloons, otherwise it will leak everywhere. And once you've added your sand and your essential oil and mixed it up in your water bottle, you're gonna blow up your balloon and put it over top. Make sure that it is about twice the size of the stress ball that you want to end up with. You just tip it over and start putting the sand into the water bottle. So once you have all of your sand inside the balloon, you want to slowly let out the air. If you leave more air in the balloon, it will be softer stress ball. If you take all the air out, it'll be pretty firm. So once you get it to the desired size, you just tie it off. And there you have it. You have your own stress ball. It's gonna smell really good. I use lavender essential oil, so it's very calming. We have tons of craft books online. You can check out Cloud Library and Overdrive. Also, Hoopla has some really good options for teen and children's craft books. And also check out our e-resource called Creative Bug. It has a lot of good craft resources. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.